Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Introducing Taboola platform, freelancing platform. Get Taboola Magic's try Taboola Magic's free trial. Best freelance platform, affordable pricing. Introducing Taboola platform. Introducing the new Taboola Ads dashboard. Taboola blog. Taboola Ads campaigns tracking. Welcome to Taboola Ads, introducing new Taboola Ads dashboard. Taboola has always empowered advertisers to reach audiences across the world's top sites. Now we are making it even easier with Taboola Ads, our next generation media platform designed to provide a simpler, more intuitive way for you achieve your business goals with Taboola Ads. New customer reporting feature to help you analyze your data. Easier product creative. Introducing Taboola dashboard. Hi. We also have beautiful new graphs. We are adding more graphs to other reports now. It's built to self-service and it's easy intuitive to use. How to increase brand awareness. Freelancing platform automation. Best freelance platform, affordable price. OLCOL have top-notch service providers. Get jobs done by trusted sellers at very affordable prices. Put your skill at make extra money with doing what you know and like. Best services to start. Taboola.com. Content discovery, native ads, exclusive. People can handle the truth about the environment. Reach your audience in new places. Drive marketing results. Taboola.com. Taboola versus API. Taboola.com email marketing. Introducing Taboola platform. Hope you understand, like our video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.